Want the best Hostinger coupon code available right now?
Using our special link, you can get 83% off plus an extra 15% discount on Hostinger WordPress Hosting in India.
That means you can start a website for as low as around 58 rupees per month. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for getting your online presence started right away. This exclusive offer includes up to 83% off Hostinger WordPress Hosting, extra 15% discount with coupon code BPSPECIAL, free domain name, free SSL Certificate, free website builder, 24/7 customer support, 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're planning to launch a website in 2026, this is one of the biggest Hostinger deals available right now. Hostinger is a great option for bloggers starting their first website, affiliate marketers, small business owners, freelancers and agencies, or WordPress users looking
for affordable hosting.
It offers fast loading speeds, beginner-friendly management through HPanel, and servers located in India for better performance. Now let's activate the discount. Step 1. Click the Hostinger link in the description below. Step 2. Choose your preferred WordPress hosting plan. For most beginners, the premium plan is the best choice. Step 3. Select the 48-month billing period because this offer is available on eligible 48-month plans. Step 4. Proceed to checkout and verify that the coupon code BBSPECIAL is applied. You should immediately see the extra discount reflected in your total price. Step 5. Complete your payment using UPI, Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or your preferred payment method. And that's it, your hosting account is ready. To claim this Hostinger deal, click the link in the description and use coupon code BPSPECIAL. It's the best hosting offer available right now, so don't miss out. Click the link below to get started. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to BloggersPassion, and turn on notifications for more hosting deals, blogging tips, and SEO tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.